second. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. What number did I roll?
6.
6. Good job. Good subitizing. So that means we have to put how many berries on turkey number 1?
6.
6. So get your berries and make 6. And remember, our brains like everything to be nice and neat. So I think that you should fill up the top row with berries, okay? Because 1 row means you have how many?
5.
5. So you can just put 5 on the top and say 5. And then to make a 6, you need to add how many more at the bottom? Just 1.
4.
Yeah. So if you have a row of 5 at the top and then 1 more, that makes 6.
6.
So turkey number 1.
3.
You did 3 and 3. Oh, that's a good way too. So on turkey number 1, which, by the way, we should name our turkeys. What are some good names you could think of for turkey number 1? Because turkey number 1 sounds like a pretty lame name. What do you think? Turkey number 1? Do you want to be called kid number 1, Carter? Kid number 1? That sounds boring. So what name should we name our turkey number 1? What do you think? Do you have a good name? Hudson, what do you think?
1.
1? Name him 1. What do you think, Carter?
Turkey's belly.
Turkey's belly? Like turkey belly? Turkey belly? What do you think, Harper?
Easton.
Houston?
Easton.
Oh, Easton. Oh, I like that. Easton. That's kind of like the name of some bats. What do you think? Yeah, Easton. So what do you boys think? Let's take a vote. Do you want to vote? Yes?
What?
If you think your turkey should be called Easton, raise your hand. Oh, that's 3 votes. If you think your turkey should be called Turkey Belly, raise your hand. 2 votes. If you think your turkey should be called 1, raise your hand. So Easton wins. Okay, so we'll name turkey number 1 Easton. So Easton has how many berries in his belly?
6.
6. So we need to fill up turkey number 2, which, by the way, start thinking of a name. Turkey number 2 with more berries. How many berries would be more than 6? Think about it. More than 6.
I'm using all the berries.
What do you think? What number would you pick, Harper?
7.
7. Yes, just 1 more, right? That's super easy peasy lemon squeezy. What about you, Hudson?
8.
8. Yeah, that's 2 more. So I'm going to put more berries on mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to make it super easy, I'm just going to put in 1 more. I kind of like Harper's idea, just like 1 more. But I think Carter said he's going to fill it all up, right? So he wants to do 10. All up, you have 10, right? So we did it. So Easton has 6 and turkey number 2 has 7. So which one has more? Turkey number 2. Yeah, good job.
I'm doing 25.
25? That's way more than our 10 frame. So can you guys think of a name for turkey number 2? What do you think? Maybe Gobbles?
Gobbled.
What do you think, Carter?
Turkey head.
Turkey head. Okay, so turkey head. Okay, that's good. That's good. Hi. How you doing, Jack? What do you think? Do you have a name for turkey number 2?
What are we doing?
Hi, Jack. We are coming up with a name for our turkey number 2 on our turkey mat. So remember how yesterday they were named turkey 1 and turkey 2?
Yeah.
We took a vote and named our turkey number 1 Easton. So turkey number 1, his name is Easton, and Harper came up with that. And we voted, and we liked that one the most. And so now we're coming up with a name for turkey number 2. So
I have one.
Okay, what's your name?
What was the other one?
Easton. Steve?
The other one should
Oh, like Minecraft Steve. Ooh, that could be good. What do you think, Harper? Do you have another name for turkey number 2?
Yeah,
What do you
trick or treat. Smell my feet.
Trick or treat, smell my feet. So he could be called Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet. He could be called Steve, or he could be called Turkey Head. I think that's what Carter said.
Turkey head.
And then Hudson, did you have one? No? All right. And I said Gobbler or Gobbler. Okay. So let's take a vote. Okay. So if you think your turkey should be named Steve, raise your hand. Just two, just me and you, Jack. All right. If you think your turkey, the turkey number 2 should be named Turkey Head, raise your hand. Oh, 2 is a tie. If you think your turkey should be named Gobbler, raise your hand. If you think your turkey should be named, what was Harper's turkey's name?
Trick or treat, smell my feet.
Oh yeah. If you think your the turkey number 2 should be named Trick or Treat, Smell My Feet, raise your hand. Harper. All right, so now we have it down to 2. So we have to revote. Ready? So Turkey Steve or Turkey Head are tied. They both have 2 votes. Okay, let's see which one wins. So we have to revote. Ready? You can only vote one time. If you think turkey number 2 should be called Steve, raise your hand. Still 2 votes. Harper, you got to vote. Okay, ready? If you think the turkey should be named Turkey Head, vote. Raise your hand. 2. Harper, you got to vote. Harper, which one? You're the tiebreaker. Should we name turkey number 2 Steve or Turkey Head?
Steve.
Steve wins. So why does he win? So Steve had 3 votes, right? And Turkey Head had 2 votes. Which one more? 3, 2. Which one had the most votes? Steve or Turkey Head? Which one is more? Steve, because Steve had 3 votes, right? So his name is Steve. So now we have Easton versus Steve. So I'm going to name him Steve. All right, you ready? So clear your mats. We're going to do one more of this turkey roll the dice, okay? So clear your mats, and then I want you to take a look at the camera, and I'm going to roll the dice. Ready? All right, let's see what number we come up with this time. I'm going to roll it, and here we go. Oh, that was easy. That's 1. So you need to put 1 berry from the forest inside Easton's belly. Okay, so 1 berry right in Easton's belly. Okay, and your job is to fill in Steve's belly with more berries than the berries that we put in Easton's belly. So how many more are you gonna add? How many do you think? I'll add what you say, Harper, since you don't have your berries. So how many more should we add, Harper? How many? Show me up here. Put your fingers up a little higher. Oh, you want me to add 2 more? 2 more?
Yeah.
So let's go. I'm going to do it on mine, okay? So here's Steve, and Harper wants me to make it so that we have 2 more than Easton. So Easton has 1, right? But I'm going to add 2 more. So now how many do I have, Harper?
3.
3. Yes. So Steve has 3 in his belly, and Easton has 1. So which one has more? Steve, right? Steve has more. He has more berries. Yeah, that's the one with a greater number of berries. Which turkey you think is more full? Which one had a nice full belly? What do you think, Carter?
Steve. Turkey.
Steve, yeah, he had more. Easton only had 1. Yeah, what numbers did you use?
10 and 1.
Who had 10? Turkey 1 or turkey 2?
Turkey 2.
Turkey 2. Oh, that's a lot. And what about yours, Jack?
I did
Turkey 1. Turkey 1 should only have 1 berry for you, right? How many did you put in your second turkey?
5.
5? You put 5 on your turkey, Steve? Yeah? Yeah, that's a lot more, yeah? How many more? You put 4 more. So you have 5 total, yeah? So he had 4 more than Easton turkey, right? How about you, Hudson? How many did you put on your turkey, Steve?
3.
3, yeah. And turkey Easton only had 1, right? We rolled the dice and he had 1. So your turkey, Steve, had 3. So he had 2 more. Super job. All right, clear your mats. And now we're going to take a break and I'm going to do some super ties for you before we do our sheet, okay? Ready? I'm going to put some supertizing cards on. You have to yell out the number. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here we go. What number is that?
5.
Ooh, super job. Let me zoom in. How many is that?
10.
Nice. How many is that?
9.
8. Super job. Super job. That's 8. What about that?
9.
9. Super job. How about that?
7.
7. Super. What about that?
10.
Say it again. What is it?
10.
10. Yes. What about that one?
9.
9. That's it. What was this one again?
8.
8. Super job. What's that one?
8.
8. That's the hardest one. You got it.
7.
7.
6.
6. You got it.
5. 6. 7.
You got it. Nice. Hashtag supertize. And supertize is when you look, think quickly. Yeah? All right. Take out your greater than, less than paper that's in your packet, and we're going to finish that off together. And it should be right. It should look just like that one. And let me know with a thumbs up that you got it. It's right in front of you. You got the right paper, and you have your pencil, and you're doing the first thing I do. And we say the first thing I do is always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name. So write your name on your paper. Super job. Nice and neat. Push on your pencil. Nice. Push on your pencil. You already did it without me?
Yeah, I did the
Without your
whole
friend?
baseball. Yep.
You did. You don't even need me. I'm leaving. I'm going to go down the stairs. Ready? You don't even need Miss Edmiston today. You're all mathematician smarty pants. All right. Well, is it okay if we just do it together anyway, even if you did it? Because Miss Edmiston's recording this video so that we can share it on our class dojo so that anybody that's not here can watch it later, okay? And some of our friends may not be able to do it, okay? They may not know how to do it. So can you still do it with me? Is that okay?
Already done.
We'll do it super fast, okay? All right. So here's row number 1. There's only 3 problems. We can totally do this quickly. And let's look. The directions say to circle the one that is greater. Greater means what? Bigger or smaller? It has more. Yes, good job. So circle the one that is greater and put an X on the one that's less, right? All right, ready? So this is what number on Turkey Easton? How many does Turkey Easton have? 10. Write the number 10 right there. And then how many does Turkey Steve have? How many? 6. Good job. So which one is greater, 10 or 6?
10.
10. Put a circle around 10. And then we have to put an X on the one that has less. Good job. All right, let's move down here. How many? I know. We're just doing it together. You could just check it with us, okay? How many dots are in Easton's belly on this one, number 2?
5.
5. Good. So write the number 5 right there. And this is a great way to practice writing your numbers, okay? How many dots in Turkey Steve's belly?
6.
6, just like the other one. So which turkey, like which one, has a greater number of dots?
6.
Yes, the one with the 6. So that means that the one with the 5 is less. How many more does this turkey have than this one? It has how many more?
1.
1, yes. When we say how many more, we see where are they equal? So this one has 5, this one has 5, but this one has 1 more right there. See, that's the one that has a little bit extra. All right, bottom row. So Turkey Easton has how many in his belly here?
2.
Yeah, well, he has total 5 plus 2 more. That's how many total?
7.
7. Good job. And this Turkey Steve, how many does he have?
9.
9. Yeah, fast ways to remember. When we subitize 9, we look. Well, if they were all filled in, that would be 10. But there's only how many spots missing? 1. So that makes it 9. So which turkey has a greater number? 7 or 9?
9.
9. So you circle the 9, and then you put an X on the 7 because that one has less.
I'm already done.
Super job. Show me. Can you show me your paper like this? Put it on your camera like this so I can see. See if yours looks like mine. Ooh, nice job. Yeah. Was that easy? Yeah? Super easy? Nice job. Super job. Aw. Are you guys ready to do some counting cat with me? Yeah? You know, when I talked to some of our friends yesterday, they said that they were talking to me about how they learned their counting cat with the counting cat, and they can count by tens a lot more than they could before. And it was because of counting cat. Do you believe that? I think so too, because counting cat is really fun. Yeah, he makes it kind of interesting.
Like your baby.
So I'm gonna move like my baby Lucky Joe. All right, I'm gonna move my camera over here so I can be in front of counting cat. What do you think?
I can see it. I can see it.
I'm getting it. Over here. Okay. Here we go. And then we'll be all done math for today. Sadness. All right. There it is. Counting cat. Yay. Okay, here it is. And we're going to start counting here by our 10. And then I'm going to have you guys, you don't even have to close your eyes because I'm going to like take the computer off. Yeah, you can't. And then you can tell me which one's missing. Okay, ready? So here goes. Can you count start here with the 10s?
10.
20,
20.
30,
40.
40,
50.
50, 60,
60.
70,
80.
90,
100.
100.
110. 120. 130. 140. 150. 160. 170. 180, 190,
Carter.
200,
Carter.
210, 220, 230, 240, 200. Oh my God! 260, 270, 280, 290. I'm bored. 300, 310. 320, 330, 340, 350.
Nice job, Carter.
Carter,
Can you guys see counting cat? All right, ready? I'm going to pull off a number, and you have to tell me which one it is, okay? So before I do it, I'm going to turn my camera this way so you can't see. Ha-ha. And then I'm going to pull one off, and you have to tell me which one's missing. You guys ready? Are you watching? Here goes. Which one's missing?
40.
You got it. Say 40. Nice job. All right, ready? All right. Be looking. Turn it away. Here goes. Which one's missing now?
60.
60. 6 and a 0. Good job. All right. One more. Which one's missing? You'll never get this one. Ready? Which one's missing? Yeah. Got it.
90.
And 90 is a 9 and a 0. Good job. Oh, nice job, friends. And good job counting, Carter. So Carter counted. Did you hear how far he counted? It was so far. Jack got up and he was like, I'm out of here. Right? He's like, that was just too much. Did you get up and walk away, Jack? Jack's like, oh, that was too much. He counted all the way to 300. Okay, and that's pretty cool. Okay, nice job, Carter. Now our goal, our hashtag goal is to count to 100, right? And you got it. You did that. You did that so great. you're super, super great at counting. So I'm really proud of you. Are you going to join me tomorrow for some more math?
I have a 4-wheeler.
You do? Really cool.
My big brother does too. In the house.
You do? Ooh.
Downstairs.
Stop it. That's kind of cool. If you want to share some pictures with us, because I know we don't have a lot of time during our video chats. We can't really take our computers and just show us a tour of the houses. We don't have a lot of time. But if you want to take a picture of something that you talked about with us during our video, you can send it to Miss Edmiston and I'll share the pictures, okay? So if you want to take a picture of your trampoline or Hudson, your four-wheeler or anything.
I have a video.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, share them with me on Class Dojo, okay? And then I can share them with the class if you want them to see stuff that we talk about, okay, during our videos, okay? Bye, friends. Don't forget to push the hang up button. Don't forget bye. I posted the link to Teacher Monster to Read. So if you want to get on Teacher Monster to Read, you can do that later, okay? Bye, friends.
What about this? And this? See you later, Hudson.
You have a couple other pages on there, Jack. So the other pages on there are for you to practice on your own, okay? One of the turkey pages are for you just to write your numbers. So you have to write number 0, start with 0, and then write 0 to 10, okay? And then the other paper is just extra practice if you want to do it. Like if you talk to mom and you feel like, oh, I can use a little bit extra practice, then you can do it. Some of your friends in your class, they need help practicing extra. So that's just extra. But the counting turkeys, writing your numbers, that one I really want everybody to do, okay? So you just have to practice writing your numbers every day. Start with the number 0 and then write all the way to 10. And then you're done, okay? If you want to do the pie sheet, you could do it if you want, okay? So don't forget to practice counting, okay? I need you to get on, maybe, I know you don't like DJ count, but I want you to count, okay? Maybe take your 100 chart I put in there with the little monster. It's a green paper. And practice counting with mom. Okay?
This is no rap, but he stops to make it longer at the pose. That's why I don't really like him.
Yeah, I like it because it's a good. I like that he has a good beat, and some kids really need it. He said 1.
I don't like that he stops to make it longer.
Oh, I gotcha. Yeah. There's a bunch of other ones, but I think that one's kind of cool.
He doesn't make it longer by stopping.
I guess, but it's not that much longer. He raps really fast, right? He says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I kind of like it because it has a good beat. It's like
14, 15, 16.
Yeah.
18, 19.
20. Yeah. And you can like pose. Like you can make a cool pose after every like 10, right?
Okay, we're gonna let her go, and then we're gonna.
Bye, Jack. Thanks, Mom. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
38, 39.